Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn English landscaping vocabulary list that will help you sound more confident, natural, and fluent in everyday conversations. Make sure to watch till the end because these sentences are super useful in real-life situations. Tools and maintenance. Wheelbarrow. Use the wheelbarrow to haul those heavy bags of river rock to the backyard. Garden fork. I need the garden fork to turn the soil and break up these stubborn clay clumps. Trowel. Use a hand trowel to dig small, precise holes for the marigold seedlings. Pruners. Keep your pruner sharp so you can make clean cuts on the rose bushes. Loppers. You'll need the long-handled loppers to reach those thicker branches on the oak tree. Hoe. A quick pass with the hoe will slice those weeds right at the root line. Watering can. Use the watering can for the delicate herbs on the windowsill. Hose. Unroll the hose to reach the flower beds at the far end of the property. Lawnmower. It's finally warm enough to bring the lawnmower out for the first cut of the season. Shovel. Use the round point shovel to dig the deep hole for the new maple tree. Mattock. The mattock is the best tool for breaking through rocky soil and thick roots. Gloves. Always wear leather gloves when handling thorny bushes like barberry or holly. Leaf blower. The leaf blower makes quick work of clearing the driveway after a storm. Trimmer. Use the string trimmer to tidy up the grass edges along the fence. Sprinkler. Set the sprinkler on a timer to water the lawn during the cooler early morning hours. Knee pads. Your joints will thank you for wearing knee pads while you're planting the ground cover. Pruning saw. That branch is too thick for loppers. You'll need the pruning saw. Spading fork. Use the spading fork to gently lift the perennials when you're ready to divide them. Compost thermometer. Check the compost thermometer to ensure the pile is hot enough to kill weed seeds. pH test kit. Use the pH test kit to see if the soil needs lime before you plant the hydrangeas. Structures and hardscaping. Garden stairs. These timber garden stairs help navigate the steep slope of the backyard. Retaining wall. The stone retaining wall prevents soil erosion on the hillside.
Trellis. Secure the ivy to the trellis so it can climb up the side of the garage. Arbor. A cedar arbor creates a beautiful shaded entrance to the secret garden. Raised bed. Planting in a raised bed allows for better drainage and easier weeding. Deck. We're planning to build a composite deck for outdoor dining and entertaining. Garden bench. Place the garden bench under the willow tree for a quiet place to read. Adirondack chair. There's nothing more relaxing than sitting in an Adirondack chair by the lake. Fire pit. We gathered around the fire pit to roast marshmallows and stay warm. Raiden bait. This appears to be a typo for raised bed or perhaps rain butt/barrel, assuming it refers to a specific structural element like a rain barrel. Collect rainwater from the roof in the rain barrel to use during the dry season. Obelisk. A tall wooden obelisk adds a striking vertical element to the center of the garden. Water feature. The sound of the bubbling water feature masks the noise from the street. Flagstone Path. A winding flagstone path leads guests from the patio to the gazebo. Supplies and materials. Rain barrel. Hook the rain barrel up to your downspout to conserve water.
Composter. Toss your kitchen scraps into the composter to create black gold for your plants. Potting soil. Use high-quality potting soil instead of garden dirt for your container plants. Mulch. Spread a thick layer of cedar mulch to suppress weeds and retain moisture. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced fertilizer in the spring to give your lawn a boost. Seeds. It's much cheaper to grow your vegetables from seeds than to buy starts. Plant marker. Use a plant marker so you don't forget which variety of tomato you planted. Pot. This terracotta pot provides a classic look for the porch geraniums. Planter box. We installed a wooden planter box under the kitchen window for fresh herbs. Twine. Use garden twine to gently tie the tomato plants to their stakes. Weed barrier. Lay down a weed barrier before adding the gravel to keep the area tidy. Plants and landscaping styles. Hedge. A manicured boxwood hedge provides a natural privacy screen from the neighbors. Espalier. Training an apple tree in the espalier style allows it to grow flat against a sunny wall. Ornamental grass. Feather reed grass is a popular ornamental grass that adds movement to the landscape. Xeriscape. We switched to a xeriscape design with cacti and succulents to save on our water bill. Native plants. Choosing native plants ensures your garden will thrive in the local climate with less maintenance. Ground cover. Creeping thyme makes an excellent ground cover that smells wonderful when stepped on. Great job! Try to practice these sentences every day to make them a natural part of your English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content.